In this video, the ginger cats are eating from a single food bowl. Initially, a larger, fully ginger cat is seen eating from the bowl. A smaller ginger and white cat approaches and hesitantly tries to eat as well. The larger cat seems to be possessive of the food and guards the bowl, preventing the other cat from getting a good meal. Afterwards, the smaller cat backs away and waits patiently. The larger cat continues to eat, and eventually, the smaller cat approaches again. The smaller cat starts eating food that the larger cat has spilled on the floor then. The larger cat also begins eating the food on the floor next to the bowl. A third cat, a calico with a protective cone collar, appears and tries to eat from the bowl, but is shooed away by one of the ginger cats. The video ends with the two ginger cats sharing the food in the bowl.